Gawin sila, Zoro.
Come second floor.
Okay, nasa first gate lang sila.
Kapit.
Nakap talaga na.
Ready ah. Okay. Ready.
Either bashing na, ha?
Pucheck na. Come southeast. Pucheck na. Ready on the gate, okay? Ready on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Nice hit. Then go back pass. Kudas pass. OC now. Kudas pass. Everyone OC. Tell him ready, okay? Careful. Ready. Yo, wait. Nice hit, bang squad. Yo, ready. Wait. Hold. Just hold. Yo, ready. Shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Diyan yung ground,
1. Shallow the gate now. Nice hit. Then go back
Light
pass.
killers ready. We're
Hug
hitting.
the wall northwest. Depth on the front. Hug the wall northwest. Okay. Hug the wall northwest. Careful.
Yeah,
Wait, yo, depth. Tell him ready. Oh, just hold.
Glacial.
Ready. Shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast of the gate. Hit. Nice hit. Then go back pass.
Hey, glacial.
Ilang percent yung gate? Percent of the gate, guys. Away from the glacial.
65.
65.
Okay, hold. Just hold. Careful, okay? You ready? Shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Then go back pass. Depth now. Full depth up front. Nice hook. Kudas pass.
Ilat front.
Don't leave your front. Ilang percent?
They're looking.
Yo, bounce squad. Head the bounce squad.
Ready.
Just hold. Okay, just hold.
Ready.
Just hold. Ready. Look southeast of the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast of the gate now. Hit now. Nice hit, then go back pass. Depth front. Nice.
Glacial.
Tell him ready.
4 seconds.
Ready.
Just hold. You ready? Shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Go back now.
Hit.
Depth now, front.
50 gate.
Gate. Tell me if it's 30, okay?
Batang maabutan.
Hold. Tell Freddy, ah. Hold.
Ready.
Yo, shallow the gate in 5, southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Set now the gate. Okay, nice jump. Yo, depth now. Depth from me. Nice soak, guys. Nice defense. We hold.
Bomb shot coming.
Yo, bounce out. Depth.
Ready, Zoro.
You ready? Shallow the gate
Hindi
in
naman
5.
na-engage, ha?
Step in 4.
Second round.
Hit now. Headbutt. Nice headbutt.
You got them. Good.
Kudas pass. 2 win, 0-6 din. Okay, careful. Don't have clap for...
Hindi, wala pa ako. Okay lang yan. Spam on cooldowns tong live ko.
Ready, ilang percent?
40 gate, 40.
Okay. Sabi pag 30 ah.
Fake lang tong ano ko.
Yo, depth.
Ready. Lang,
Ready on the
glacial
gate
lang.
now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Hit the gate. Nice hit. Then go back pass. Depth up front. Away from the glacial. Okay? Tell me it's 30%. Okay?
36% gate.
Okay, hold.
Rafael, kailangan ko ng comp sa'yo dito.
Southeast of the gate ah.
3
Careful.
seconds.
Ready. Southeast of the gate in 5, 4,
Nag-play by the
3,
circle muna
2,
dyan.
1. Southeast of the gate. Kill this guy.
Nag-east naman cooldowns
Please,
na
kill
kami.
this guy. Okay, go back pass. Kudas pass. On the sword.
Tuson sa way pa ako.
Umata sila.
Okay, hold.
They're looking.
They will it.
Seven
Okay,
gauges,
careful.
30.
You ready on the gate now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Shallow. Hit the gate. Then go back pass. Percent gate.
Bomb squad stacking. 30% gate.
Burning sa atin.
Okay, hold. Careful bomb squad, okay? Watch the bomb squad, okay?
3 seconds.
Just hold.
20% gate.
Hug the wall. Okay?
17.
Be on my northeast, okay? We hit, then we go second floor, okay? Hold. Tell me if it's 10%, okay?
Try natin mag-sync light killers company.
Looking. Bomb squad. Looking.
Your percent.
Pero big club sa X1.
You ready? Shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Nice hit. Then go back northwest. We can hit once more. No. Don't quit the gate.
4%.
Bomb squad stacking.
Just hold. Ready.
Glacial now.
Depth now. Nice hook. 10 Freddy, ah.
Ready.
Last hit.
Ready.
Shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Kill that guy. Then go second floor. hug the wall northwest. Everyone hug the wall northwest. Go second floor.
Pero may big lab sa ano.
Gege, Torns, Rose.
Ekpan.
Just hold. Let them in. Let them in. Hug the wall northwest, okay? So you won't be killed by the bomb squad. Roll ni 06. Healer to. Let them in, guys. Let them in.
Zoro may nagbabash ng southwest.
Okay.
General, pwede ka mag-set up.
Okay. Careful.
Sabihin ko
Ready,
ng
ready.
light caller.
Walk. Come east, come north. Okay, hold. You ready, ah? Ready, wait. Click the gate, shallow east now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow east now. It's big. Then go back fast.
Light killers ready.
Dep front. Hold
Mitch,
on, hug the wall northwest. Okay, hug the wall northwest. Careful, just stack. Then ready, ah? Yo. Click the gate now. Look shallow southeast in 5. Hit the gate in 4, in 3, in 2, and choke. Hit the choke fast. Then go back fast. Nice hit, boys. Go northwest now. Hold. Kick the gate.
Bomb squad,
They're looking. Hitting bomb squad.
Makancel
Have
pa,
the front.
Noise.
Yo, click the gate now. They miss. Click the gate. Yo, shallow the choke in 5. Wait.
Pwede tayo
4,
mag-set up.
east in 3, in 2, in 1, shallow east now. Shallow east, then go back now.
Hitting.
Heading east up front. Left up front. Pull them. Okay, hold. Just hold. Click east. Come east.
Move.
Out. Look southwest. 5, inside and 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, hit southwest now. Then go back fast.
Yeah, bring
Go
bounce
northwest.
squad
He's up front.
Dito na ako ah.
They're looking.
Yo, click the gate now. Give them space.
Pwede ka na mag-over the wall.
Yeah. Give them space. Click the gate now. Everyone come inside.
Resetting ako.
Everyone come inside, okay?
Loot buddies.
Another block.
Yeah, let them.
Resetting ako, Rafael.
They might shallow.
Bumabalik sila. Be careful.
Wait. Yo, hug the wall northwest.
Engage.
Kinap.
Yo. Let them in.
Pakisalo nga po nyo, ano? Yung silence.
Let them in, okay? We can hit over the wall, okay? Let them in. Let them in.
Guys, react on time on the engages, guys. So easy.
Again, for my healers and supports, the threats are at the front, okay? Make sure you watch the fronts always. Or else we won't have pillars and they will go into
Don't
us.
stand here, healers. You might get hit over the wall.
May soul sight na si Lasky, ha. Tumitingin sa bomb squad.
Yung full bomb squad.
Yo, guys, let them in.
Recreate ako ah. Parang di mahirapan sa...
Let them in.
2B, Celebrim, and Witchwork.
Let them in, guys. Let them in. There's a small blob. Just let them in. Tell me if they're going in, okay?
Going in.
They're peeking lang.
Yeah. Let them in, guys. Let them in. Hug the wall northwest. Don't get curious.
No, they're going southwest.
Wala. So, walk na. Baka na ano sa blob. Walk out. Someone watch the front. May mga catch ba tayo southwest or wala?
Basag na
Dito
dito,
sila
Zoro,
sa west.
Southwest,
Dito sila
basag
sa
na,
west.
Southwest.
Okay, come northwest now. Northwest now.
Northwest
then southwest.
Dismounted na sila dito.
Yo, northwest, southwest, guys. Southwest. Pass the narrow, okay?
Dismounted na sila. Nandito na.
Yeah. Yo, walk northwest na. Hug the wall doon.
Basag
Hitting
na.
shallow sila. Basag na ba to?
Basag na.
Wag ka na sila umatras. They're mounting up.
They're mounting up.
Inong blob, bumaba. Putang ina.
Maybe
Yo, go
mid
inside.
They have 29 DA.
Go inside.
I got
Someone check the small
blood.
blob sa SCJ. Ano yan? Baka SCJ yan nag-set home. Are they going out?
Torrance Rose to level 23. Torrance Rose
Okay,
Alliance, SEJ.
Hold on, let them in. We hold this castle, guys. Someone watch southwest. Patambay ako isa. Southwest.
30 DA.